The Spectrum TV app not showing local channels is a common issue, but often fixable. There are generally three main reasons. Location permissions on your device aren't enabled, the zip code associated with your Spectrum account is incorrect, or there are broadcasting rights and licensing restrictions in your area. The app uses your device's location through GPS, Wi-Fi, and IP address to verify you're within Spectrum's service area. It also cross-checks the zip code tied to your account for billing and content delivery purposes. Finally, local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC are subject to retransmission consent agreements, which can lead to temporary blackouts due to disputes or specific events. First, ensure location services are enabled for the Spectrum TV app in your device's settings. Next, verify your zip code is correct in your Spectrum account information, accessible through Spectrum's website or app settings. If issues persist and it's not a location or zip issue, check Spectrum's channel lineup or outage alerts for any known blackouts or rights-related restrictions in your area. Try logging out and back into the app, or even uninstalling and reinstalling it. In many cases, these steps will restore your local channels. If not, contact Spectrum support for account-specific assistance.